RTF stands for Rich Text Format. It is the most universal document type. If Word won't open it, WordPad, built into Windows, definitely will. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try WordPad. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade RTF file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. Rich Text Format, RTF Ars, is a document file format developed by Microsoft for cross-platform document interchange. RTF files contain formatted text, including font styles, sizes, colors, and basic layout information. It is designed to be readable by a wide range of word processors and text editors, making it a versatile format for sharing documents. RTF files use a markup language to define formatting attributes. The format is based on escape sequences and control words that specify text properties and document structure. While RTF supports basic formatting, it lacks the advanced features of more modern document formats like DOCX. The specification is publicly available, promoting interoperability. The RTF file originated with and is formally handled by Microsoft Word, developed by Microsoft. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows offers only a basic rendering, so full document manipulation requires specialized tools. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your RTF file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Word if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the RTF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The nature of the RTF format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, use word processor. Open the file using any word processor, e.g. Microsoft Word, WordPad, LibreOffice Writer. Next, use text editor. If the file won't open it in a text editor, Notepad, to view the raw text and formatting commands. Finally, check for corruption. If the file is highly corrupted, use the word processor's text recovery features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the RTF name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn RTF formats. For guaranteed results, the one-click RTF fix is File Magic. It opens almost any format imaginable. Find the program at filemagic.com. Subscribe for what's coming up next. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.